Hello, friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Short Stories Easy English. Today we will listen to a fun and simple real-life story in English for beginners. Melisa at the airport. Melisa is very excited today. She is going to Paris. It is her first trip to France. She wakes up early in the morning. She packs her suitcase. She checks her passport. She takes her phone and charger. Everything is ready. Melisa leaves her house. She goes to the bus stop. She takes a bus to the airport. The bus is comfortable. She looks out the window. The journey is not long. It takes about 30 minutes to go to the airport. Soon she arrives at the airport. The airport is very busy. Many people are there. Some people are arriving. Some people are leaving. Melisa enters the airport. She looks at the information board. Her flight is on time. First, she goes to the check-in desk. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please? Yes, of course. Here you are. Thank you. Where are you flying today? I am flying to Paris. Do you have any luggage to check in? Yes, I have one suitcase. Please put it on the scale. Okay. Great. Your suitcase is fine. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice flight. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, Melisa goes to security. She puts her bag on the belt. She takes off her jacket. She walks through the security gate. There are no problems. After security, she enters the departure area. She has some free time. She visits a small cafe and buys a sandwich. She also buys a cup of tea. The tea is hot and aromatic. Then Melisa walks around the shops. She looks at books and souvenirs. She does not buy anything. She only looks. Soon she hears an announcement. Her flight is boarding. Melisa goes to the gate. Many passengers are waiting there. She finds a seat near the window. She watches the airplanes outside. A few minutes later, passengers begin to board. Melisa shows her boarding pass. She walks onto the airplane. She finds her seat. It is a window seat. She likes window seats. She puts her bag under the seat. Melisa sits down and relaxes. The airplane starts to move. She looks out the window. She feels excited about her adventure in Paris. Wish Melisa a nice flight. Useful vocabulary: suitcase, flight, on time, check-in desk, gate, boarding pass, security, window seat. Did you like this story? Tell me in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch what happens to Melisa next.